Hey guys, it's Ren here, and today I'm going to do a very special video because today is Awdry's Day. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made my Broomstick Thomas from 1942, made by Reverend Wilbur Awdry himself. Now my custom will be a bit different because I want to make my version is based on the drawing version and the toy version of the Broomstick Thomas. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. We're really close to 1,000 subscribers, so let's make that happen. And also, feel free to comment on this video because I'm planning to do a Q&A video once I have 1,000 subscribers. Anyways, let's get to it. The Thomas I use is a 80th anniversary Thomas because at the time I did have two of them and I figured it'd be the right size. Then I start cutting away. Starting off with the coal bunker, remove the smoke box and splashers, and cut it down for size with the watering tanks and the buffer beam, and start sanding down the smoke box and the funnel, and cut a bit with splashers, and also sand down the buffers and glue them back in. Then I hot glue some cardboard for the cab, the back, and also the sides, and also the front to make shape, and also use some masking tape for support. Then I use some modeling paste and then also sanding it, and then I use some wood filler and sand it to try to give it that smooth look. Now for the back where the switch is, you'll still see a bit of blue, which I'm going to spray paint it with some black primer spray paint. And then for the dome and whistle, I sculpt them with epoxy sculpt. When they're dry, I actually super glue them on. Then with that black spray paint, I actually use the primer. Then I use some gray acrylic paint to primer gray. Then I notice it's a bit uneven, so I use some epoxy sculpt to sand it and apply more epoxy sculpt. And also use some mold filler to fill in the gap. And sand it more. And once it's all smooth, I primer it again. Then I used two different types of turquoise paint. Then I mixed them together, but it was a little too dark, so I used some white acrylic paint to brighten it up. And then I start painting the rest for details, and also use a paint marker for the yellow lighting, and also the numbers as well. Then I use some Mod Podge spray to seal it in. Then I also paint the wheels, and also paint them with silver as well. Then as for those side rods, well, I can't really put them back in because they're a bit stretched out, so if I put it back in, and if I take them back out, they're probably just going to break off anyway. So I have two different types of Trackmaster 2 side rods and put them instead. Now the reason why I put side rods on my models because, well, like I said, I want mine to be like a mix between the drawing one and the toy version, just mix them two together. After that, I start making the face, and at first I was going to glue it with super glue, but as you can see, it's soaked through, which don't do that. So I was able to take it off and make a new paper face. This time I use Elmer's glue or glue stick, and when it's still gone, I started drawing the face. And once that, I was done. As I test run it did get stuck in the incline, so I have another Thomas to come push it up the hill. But anyways, it runs perfectly fine. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Like I said, we're really close to hitting 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys like and subscribe to make it happen. Also, comment on this video because I will be doing a Q&A video once I hit 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching. See ya.